I first started working with Ivan and the team at Qualkem about 4 years ago, and a couple of years ago, together with Made Smarter, we looked at a way of taking them to that really next stage, and that next stage needed both more skill and also more investment, i.e. a new product type of machine to enable them to release completely different products. I think the biggest impact for me really for Made Smarter intervention was bigger than just that initial, let's get this new machine and let's start this new production run. We did set a very, very tough 25% year-on-year sales increase on the back of that machine, which we've hit, but we've done more. So to put that into perspective, with the growth of the business now, we've hit in this financial year the whole of last year's sales turnover in the first 7 months. The biggest issue these days for people starting on the journey of adopting new technology is people don't know what they don't know. And unless they get shown what good looks like and what can be possible, it's very difficult to take that first step. But people need that idea, they need that catalyst for growth and that real enabler for change. And what Made Smarter have is a good blend of passionate, skilled people who know what good does look like